Morning YouTubers, this morning we will be doing engine flush as well as an oil change on the Kawasaki Vulcan S650. First and foremost is we need to drain the engine oil. So we need to open up the nut. Now we'll wait until the oil is drained completely. This is the product that we will be using. On the right you'll see is the flushing oil, and on the left is the engine oil. Okay, now that the oil has finally drained, we will have to now tighten back the nut. Okay, we will now fill up with the flushing oil. Although this is a 4-liter container, we'll only use a liter for the flushing. Yep, that's about it. There you have it, a liter of the flushing oil. Okay, now that we've filled that up, secure the cap. Okay, we will have to now start the engine and let it run for 20 minutes, and every 5 minutes give it a rev up to about 2000 rpm. Okay, it's about 5 minutes now, and we will be revving it up to 2000 rpm for about 10 seconds. Okay, we are now about into 10 minutes into the flushing, and we are going to give it a second rev in a while. Okay, we are now into the 15 minutes of the flushing, and we'll give it another rev at 2000 rpm for about 10 seconds. Alright. Okay, we are now into the 20 minutes of the flushing. So we'll do one final rev for 10 seconds and we will drain the oil. Okay, we will now loosen the drain plug and drain off the flush. As you can see, the flush oil is dark, probably due to the cleaning of all the dirt inside. Okay, the flush has been drained, the stop plug is tightened. Okay, now to remove the oil filter. Okay, before fixing the oil filter, touch a little engine oil and just rub it along the rubber as follows before fixing it onto the bike. And the oil filter should be hand tight. As so. The oil change, if you have changed the oil filter as well, should be 1.8 liters. If you have not changed the oil filter, then a 1.6 liter should suffice. We have here 1.8 liters. Okay, we are now going to fill up with the engine oil. As I said earlier, you will need 1.8 liters of engine oil since we've carried out an oil filter change. Again, if you do not do an oil filter change, then the amount of engine oil that has to be filled is 1.6 liters. There you have it, 1.8 liters of engine oil. Close it up. Okay, we are now ready to start the engine, start the bike. Yep, we are good to go.